How to unsave saved chats on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So, first, launch your Snapchat application, then go to the chat section. Now, let's say these are the chats that are saved. And in order to unsave this, what you will have to do is tap and hold the chat, and then you will see an option of unsave in chat. Tap on it. Now, if you see its status, it is not saved, unlike these two. Now, if you see like this, let's say this is a text message and you saved it like this. But if you want to unsave it, tap and hold, then unsave. You can also unsave it by just tapping on it when you saved it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.